In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose the right Reddit username. When you create a new Reddit account, you'll be asked to pick a username during the sign-up process, so let's start right from there. First, head over to Reddit's sign-up page in your browser. On that page, you'll see several different ways to register. You can sign up with a phone number, with Google, with Apple, with an email address, or by using a username and password directly. Any of these options will get you to the same place in the end. So choose whichever feels most convenient and secure for you. In this walkthrough, I'll use the email option as an example. Type in your email address and click Continue. Reddit may ask you to verify your email by sending a code to your inbox. You can enter that code to verify, or, depending on what you see on your screen, you might be able to skip this step for now and do it later. Once you move past that, you'll arrive at the important part: choosing your username. Your Reddit username is how other people will recognize you across the site, so you want to be thoughtful here. A good Reddit username should be simple and easy to remember. You want something you can type quickly and that other people can read and recall without struggling. It should also match your purpose. Think about how you plan to use Reddit. If it's mostly for fun, gaming, or hobbies, you might want something playful or creative. If you plan to participate in more professional or topic-focused communities, you might prefer something a bit more neutral or serious. Privacy is crucial. Avoid including personal details like your real name, birth year, address, or anything that could easily identify you in real life. The goal is to keep your personal information separate from your online identity. Try to choose a username that's unique but still clear and readable. You don't want a confusing jumble of characters. Also, think long-term. Pick something you won't outgrow in a few months, even if your interests shift a little over time. A helpful formula is to combine an adjective and a noun. For example, you might use combinations like calm storm, neon atlas, or silent orbit. These are short, memorable, and don't reveal personal information. As you type your chosen username into the field, Reddit will automatically check if it's available. If it is, you'll see a green check mark appear on the right side of the box. That means you're good to go. From there, just continue through the remaining sign-up steps, like setting a password and adjusting any preferences, and your account will be created with that username. And that's it. You've successfully chosen and set your Reddit username.